My name is Alex Dice. I'm one of 4 co-founders of Vortex IOT. Thank you to Greenbackers for this chance to introduce our business and give you all a sighting of what we do, how we're different, and why we are an exciting prospect for investment. In Vortex, we build scalable and secure clean tech solutions using disruptive IoT technology. But at our core, we are data-driven. We source, capture, and generate data that gives insight and in turn triggers decisions and actions. For Vortex, it's all about making the physical digital. We focus on applications for smart cities to improve their health, environment, and resource efficiency, for transport infrastructure like rail to enhance their safety, security, and operating efficiency, and for heavy industries to retrofit the digital and transition them to greater productivity under Industry 4.0. Air quality monitoring and pollution detection are key applications, along with others that benefit resource efficiency for the circular economy. We use an innovative mix of trending technologies, especially in artificial intelligence and sensor arrays that are the nervous system of the body of our solutions, while the mesh network is the backbone. So what's the problem we're trying to solve? Global air pollution is the 4th largest killer, with over 7 million premature deaths per annum, according to WHO. And now, worryingly, it is shown to weaken human defenses against COVID-19. Political inertia and funding needs slow down clean air enforcement. But the real challenge is the technology gap. In Vortex, we believe in the maxim, if you can't measure it accurately, you can't manage it effectively. Most existing air monitor networks just don't cut it. They are costly, high maintenance, and not extensive enough in terms of geolocation, accuracy, and frequency. For example, in Greater London, there are only 14 official air monitor stations operational for a city of 9 million people, covering 600 square miles. Their monitoring depends mainly on statistical modeling. Today with COVID, we know all about the vagaries of modeling. So this is where our cost-effective solutions meet the compelling need. For smart cities, our product, Parser, delivers hyperlocal monitoring combined with smart parking. By hyperlocal, we mean citywide coverage of air monitors down to the level of every street, every school, every hospital, every care home, wherever needed, what we call point of interest geofencing. 2 key differentiators for us are the multi-sensor capability to detect particulates and gases in a single device at a competitive price, and causal analysis, where we use AI to track the source of the pollution. Parser can also detect vacant on-street parking, classify vehicle types, and measure traffic flows and noise levels. It allows the cities to monetize the solution through smart parking, creating a new urban business model. At an industrial scale, we work with Port Talbot, one of the largest steel plants in Europe, owned by Tata Steel, who is our partner for digital twinning in the steel industry. We are retrofitting our mesh network of 1,500 devices across the whole site, not just for air quality, but also for tracking workers and other data from third-party sensors, creating what we call a super data highway. So where have we come from and where are we going? Despite COVID, we have survived and thrived by winning research grants and UK government contracts, where we are leading deployments in digital twinning, IoT cybersecurity, and now 5G mobility. To meet demand, we're now scaling up our team. We have over 250 IP assets identified by Deloitte, who help us position our IP for first mover advantage in what is a fragmented global sensing market worth $13 billion per annum. Gartner has elevated us to their magic quadrant for emerging smart city technology. We have renewed commercial and sales traction driven by our testbed clients and partner networks that you can see at the bottom of this slide, which are well-known names. Our revenue model is evolving from R&D funded pilots into 2 to 3 year contracts for full system deployment. A pure SaaS model will develop as our working capital allows. We've had a successful 2 investment rounds with support from the Development Bank of Wales. So what is our investment ask? As you can see here, it's about scale, speed, and strength for the reasons mentioned. Our funding need is about 2.5 to 3 million, and we have commitments of £500,000 from the Development Bank of Wales. Our timeline is the first half of next year. Our exit at this stage looks like a 2 to 3 year period from a trade sale. We've already been approached three times and refused. This is the wanted picture for some of our top management and our board, and you can see some of the skill sets involved. Our board is very proactive and helps in a number of areas and adds value in scaling the business, networking for connections, finance, private equity, and data science, which is so critical for an IoT business. So come and talk to us, learn more about us, and more importantly, come and help us make the world a healthier, safer, and cleaner space for everyone. That is our mission. Thank you.